Welcome to the Master Math Lab. My name is Jürgen and I'm the lab supervisor here. This is where you're going to be spending your 2 hours per week that are mandatory. You have to go to your class 2 hours per week, and then you have to spend here at least 2 hours per week. We're open pretty much all day, Monday to Thursday, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Friday and Saturday we're open 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So in here you will always have help available. There's instructors, there's lab staff, there's tutors. We encourage you to ask a lot of questions, and in here, when you have a question, you take the red cap and you put it up. That means you have a question, somebody's going to come and help you. If you need to take a test or a quiz, you need to be on the first row. And that's what the blue cap is. The blue cap stays up while you're taking a test or a quiz. That let us know that you're taking a test or a quiz. We will come, pre-after your test, make sure you're doing the right thing, and all tests and quizzes are password protected. This is the testing paper for your test and quizzes. This paper does not leave the lab. We're gonna give you the paper whenever you need to take a test or a quiz. It's a little different in the classroom. The classroom is yellow. When you need to take a test or a quiz, we go, put in the password for you, and give you the paper. If you're done with your test, you need to move back to another row, because we don't want to disturb the people that are taking tests. When you come in here, you need to sign in so that we can record how long you were here for, and this is how you sign in. You take your card, you swipe it with the stripe facing you, and the screen is gonna pop up. You have to click continue. If you don't click continue, that means you didn't sign in. Your name has to appear here and tell you at what time you signed on. You go do your work and everything, and when you leave, you swipe again, and a box is gonna come up and tell you how long you were here for. What happens if you don't sign out? You never get your times, like you weren't here. Same thing if you don't sign in. So make sure you always remember to sign in and sign out. Your weeks run from Monday to Saturday. It doesn't matter what day your class is on. So maybe if your class is on Thursday, your weeks still run from Monday to Saturday. So from Monday to Saturday, you have to be here at least 2 hours. If you're a returning student, be careful. When you sign in to the computer, it might have your section number from last semester. So you gotta make sure you sign in into the right section number. Make sure you give yourself enough time to read the cheating posters that are here, here, and here. They are very straightforward. Sometimes we consider cheating something you do not consider cheating, like texting somebody while you're taking a quiz. That is considered cheating for us. We're gonna close your quiz and we're gonna direct you to your teacher. We have calculators available for the first 3 weeks. So until 3 weeks we're going to provide you with calculators. After that, we're not going to provide you with calculators anymore. That time is only for you to go and buy your own calculator. They're really cheap. You need a regular scientific calculator. This is how the ones we have look like, but anything will do. You're not allowed to use graphing calculators at all in this class for any unit, and you're not allowed to use any kind of calculator for unit 0 and unit 1. We have the notes available right here. You do not need to print them. This is how they look like. It's just a Word document with some blanks for vocabulary and some problems you need to do. If you're a returning student, keep in mind that the notes have changed. They look very different to what they used to look last semester. So make sure you take a look. In this lab, there's no food allowed, nothing at all. You're not allowed to eat anything here. If you must bring something to drink, then it has to be something that can be closed with a twist cap or a thermos, that if it falls, it will not spill. We have also available multiplication tables and headphones. If you need something, let us know. We're going to provide it for you. we're probably going to need your ID, and keep your ID until you give it back, and then we'll give you back your ID. Keep in mind that this lab is only for MTT students. You're not allowed to bring any friends or anything. And every time you're here, you're getting credit for your class. So make sure you don't have your cell phone out. You're not trying to go into any other website, which you won't be able to because all the websites here are blocked. If you think you need something, let us know. We have the password for that. But most likely, we will not put the password for you because we want you to be working on math here every time you're here. If you have issues logging on to the computer, this is the login information. You can use your Blackboard account, type in the directory part here, and this is the website we use, and this is how you log in into the website. So if you ever have issues, everything is on the board. And if you have any questions at all, just ask.